If Mailchimp is giving you trouble, freezing, not loading properly, or acting like something just isn't working right, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Mailchimp running normally again. We'll cover clearing your browser cache and cookies, trying an incognito window or a different browser, checking your API keys, checking Mailchimp's system status, and reviewing your audience and subscriber lists. If this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the quickest and most common fix, clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old data that can interfere with websites like Mailchimp. On Windows or Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. If you're on a Mac, use Command, Shift, and Delete instead. Once that window opens, make sure you select Cookies and Cached Files. You do not need to clear everything unless you want to. In fact, it's a good idea to uncheck any other options so you only remove the data that is most likely causing the issue. After that, click Delete Data or Clear Data and then wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, reopen Mailchimp and check if the problem is fixed. If Mailchimp is still having issues, the next thing to try is opening it in an incognito window or switching browsers. Sometimes the issue is related to your current browser session, extensions, or stored login information. To open an incognito tab in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Then choose New Incognito Window or New Incognito Tab, depending on your browser version. Once that private window opens, sign into Mailchimp again and test it there. If it works in incognito mode, then the problem is likely being caused by browser data or an extension. If it still doesn't work, try a different browser entirely, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. This is a simple way to tell whether the issue is browser-specific or something on Mailchimp's side. Now let's move to the next important check, your API keys. If you're using Mailchimp with integrations, automations, or third-party tools, a broken or outdated API key can cause connection issues. To review this, open your Mailchimp account and click your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. Inside that section, look for the Extras tab. Then click API Keys. This will open the page where your Mailchimp API keys are listed. Review the existing keys carefully and check whether any of them are outdated, unused, or connected to an app that may no longer be working correctly. If needed, you may need to generate a new key or reconnect your integration. This step is especially important if Mailchimp is failing when syncing with another platform. Another thing you should always check is Mailchimp's service status. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. Go to status.mailchimp.com and check the current system status. Look for any active incidents, outages, or degraded performance notices. If Mailchimp is experiencing a platform-wide issue, you may just need to wait until their team resolves it. This can save you a lot of time troubleshooting something that is temporary and completely outside your control. Next, review your subscriber lists inside Mailchimp. Sometimes sending, importing, or audience issues happen because your contacts are not in a healthy list state. Go back into Mailchimp, click Audience, and check your lists. Confirm that your contacts are actively subscribed and not marked as bounced or cleaned. If too many contacts are bounced, cleaned, or otherwise inactive, Mailchimp may behave as expected from a compliance or delivery standpoint. But it can look like something is broken if you're not checking the audience status. Make sure your list is clean, valid, and organized so campaigns and automations can work properly. So to quickly recap, if Mailchimp is having issues, first clear your browser cache and cookies, then try incognito mode or a different browser. Check your API keys inside Account and Billing under Extras. Review the Mailchimp status page at status.mailchimp.com. And finally, verify your audience and subscriber status in the Audience tab. These steps solve a large number of common Mailchimp problems without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.